भी किसान हैं या दूसरे लोग हैं कि आप मेरे को पहचानते नहीं हैं, उनको धमका रहे हैं और इस तरीके का भाषण नहीं दिया जाता है। और ये लोगों के लिए सेवा करने आए जो मंत्री हैं वो मतलब लोगों को मतलब कि नाराज करने नहीं आए हैं। और उसके बाद मतलब कि वो यहाँ आके सारे अपने जो मिनिस्टर वगैरह हैं इन लोगों से मिलते हैं, होम मिनिस्टर से मिलते हैं, पर मतलब कि क्या क्या आश्वासन दे रहे हैं कि मतलब कि ये अपने पद से हटेंगे नहीं और कोई कार्रवाई होगी नहीं। और मतलब कि मेरे ख्याल से बिल्कुल गलत है। आज उनको जैसे आपने फरमाया कि उनको क्राइम ब्रांच ने बुलाया है, मैं होप करता हूँ, मैं कि उम्मीद करता हूँ कि मतलब यहाँ जो पीड़ित परिवार हैं जिन्होंने अपने प्यारों को खोया है कि उनके साथ इंसाफ होगा, उनको कानून सोचेगी और इनके बारे में देखेगी कि इनको इंसाफ मिलना चाहिए।
सुप्रीम कोर्ट ने भी सरकार की उत्तर प्रदेश में
हाँ बिल्कुल कार्रवाई पूरी होनी चाहिए और मतलब कि रिजल्ट या जो भी है साफ स्पष्ट होना चाहिए कि बिल्कुल इंसाफ मिलना चाहिए। अगर जो गाड़ियां चली हैं वो दिखाई दे रहा है कि मतलब वो प्रूफ है, वीडियो हैं, बाहर आए, लोगों ने देखा है, पूरे देश ने देखा है। और मुझे लग रहा है कि बिल्कुल उन परिवारों के लिए, लखीमपुर की परिवार के लिए इंसाफ मिलना बहुत जरूरी है। उनको कोई मुआवजा नहीं चाहिए, उनको मुख्यमंत्री जी से मुआवजा नहीं चाहिए, उनको चाहिए कि इंसाफ, वही बहुत उनके पुकार है।
सर, जो एक तस्वीर वायरल है प्रियंका गांधी की, जो उत्तर प्रदेश के मुख्यमंत्री ने टिप्पणी की, उसके बाद प्रियंका गांधी वाल्मीकि बस्ती में भी गई, उन्होंने वहां भी झाड़ू दिया।
देखिए, एक महिला जो अपने घर को साफ रखती हैं यहाँ, तो अगर उनको किसी गलत जगह में पीएसी के गंदे कमरे में छोड़ दिया हो, उन्होंने बस यही कहा है कि मेरे को अपना हाइजीन रखना है, कोविड का टाइम है या जो भी है, मतलब जो बेइंसाफी ये लोग कर रहे हैं एक महिला के साथ, जो असुरक्षित माहौल क्रिएट कर रहे हैं और गलत जगह में डाल रहे हैं, हम तो चिंतित हैं ही। और उनके जो सुरक्षा के लिए और उनके हाइजीन के लिए मतलब कि वहाँ साफ सुफ होना चाहिए, तो उन्होंने सफाई की है। उसमें क्या गलत किया है? अगर प्रधानमंत्री जी दिखाते हैं कि वो स्वच्छ भारत कर रहे हैं और मतलब झाड़ू पोछा लगा रहे हैं, तो मतलब उसमें अगर कोई औरत महिला वहां जाके अपने जगह को साफ रखती है तो उसमें कोई गलत है? वो मतलब कि उनको कोई गलत तरीके से देखा जाए कि कोई भी महिला अपने जगह अपने घर को साफ रखती है तो वो गलत कर रही है। तो वो इनका सोच वही दिखा रहे हैं कि उनके लायक यही है। क्या सोच है इन आदमियों का, क्या सोच है इन लोगों का? गलत है।
लखीमपुर केस, आशीष मिश्रा today appeared before crime branch. Do you see it's due to pressure built up by Congress party?
Yes, I definitely think it is the pressure of my family, especially Priyanka, and then Rahul has also gone there. All the Congress leaders and workers, no matter, they were stopped at the airports and everywhere. They detained Priyanka for more than 55 hours. They arrested her without any warrant. There was no FIR or arrest on the Mishra family. Neither did the father, Ajay Mishra. Even he did not leave his post. He was only showing a thumbs down to people who were there in his rally. He was threatening other people, the farmers who are already very troubled and upset and just all over the country have not been heard, and they've been protesting for more than a year. My clear thing is that definitely the families who have lost their loved ones, may it be the farmers, may it be the BJP workers, or even your press people who have lost their lives, have to get clarity and have to, the judicial system, the court should give them a clear understanding who was driving the car, and we have the video footage which is a proof. And Ashish Mishra should be interrogated, should be FIR should be lodged on him much before the pressure of Priyanka and my family being on top of the Mishra family and the government to take action on this. So I think it's the correct move, and it's the pressure by Priyanka and my family.
Supreme Court also has said that the action taken by UP government in this matter.
Yes, the UP government, rather than arresting or detaining Priyanka, should have arrested or asked the minister to leave his post. There's a proper proof of all the speeches that he gave, with showing the thumbs down, with threatening people, and his son and his security people who drove over people. And there are more and more video footage coming. So the related government in UP of Chief Minister, they should have already taken action, and they should have put an FIR. The person, Ajay Mishra, should have left the post, and it is incorrect. And the pressure has come from Priyanka and Rahul and all the Congress leaders there, and that's why the action is on him.
UP से Yogi Adityanath had made a reaction photo of Priyanka Gandhi of sweeping. After that, he went to Valmiki Basti for the same.
What is the difference if our Prime Minister is sweeping and swabbing and talks about clean India, Swachh Bharat, and if Priyanka as a woman, like all other respected ladies in their homes, keep their homes clean, and if you are, and I think that's a very proud moment for them, if you see.
That is Robert Vadra there, and he's taking full credit as the Vadra Gandhi Parivar, the Congress Parivar led by Vadras and the Gandhis, where he goes on to take credit. Gaurav Bhatia of the BJP is right now on the phone line. Gaurav Bhatia, I'm just quickly going to sum up what Robert Vadra making an appearance after a long time, and he seems to be taking all the credit. He says it is because of his wife, his family and the Congress Parivar that the UP government and the administration has been forced to take action, sir.
Now, in the Congress, time has come when Mr. Robert Vadra will espouse the cause of farmers, a person who himself has grabbed the land of the farmers. And the Congress party has become a party of Nautanki. We have seen how they have been doing that earlier. They indulge in political vulturism. And Robert Vadra is making statements that itself shows that people who are themselves snatching away the land of the farmers are now talking about farmers' cause. It needs to be ignored completely. The Congress is bereft of any leadership today, no ideology whatsoever. And this political tourism will not help Congress in reviving their fortune.
Mr. Bhatia, it seems like the focus is now shifted on the union minister, because right now the Congress party continues to hold protests. We saw those protest visuals coming from the Congress youth workers in Delhi, because even though Ashish Mishra is being questioned by the SIT, they are now demanding that the union minister steps down from his post, sir.
Law will take its own course in Uttar Pradesh. Law will ensure that culprits are nabbed, and in accordance with law, they have to face the consequences of the illegalities they have committed. But at the same time, the Congress party has to hire workers from Punjab unit, Chhattisgarh unit and Jharkhand unit. It is only because they do not have any base left in Uttar Pradesh. And the kind of cheap politics that they are doing, it would serve them better if they can see the rising crime graph in the states of Chhattisgarh, Rajasthan and other states ruled by the Congress.
Well, Mr. Bhatia, do you see it as a rising of Robert Vadra too within the political party in the Congress ranks? Because it seems that this is full indulgence in politics, as he seems to be commenting over what had happened in Lakhimpur Kheri last week, sir.
Infighting and Congress are synonymous to each other, and there is a fight, it seems, going on between Rahul Gandhi and Priyanka Vadra Gandhi camp. And that is why Robert Vadra is also playing an important role now. But this is an internal matter of the Congress. Let them do what they think is right for the Congress. We can only say, please do not spoil and reshape the atmosphere in Uttar Pradesh for your political gains.
So, Mr. Bhatia, thus the main focus does only become the Congress Gandhi Vadra Parivar, because we saw at the time even the chief ministers of other Congress ruled states were straight away heading to Lakhimpur Kheri, even there when there were issues in their own state. And that point, they saw it was more important to give more importance rather to the Gandhis and the Vadras.
Absolutely. And thank you for bringing up that point, which I had mentioned earlier as well. When Bhupesh Baghel, the Chief Minister of Chhattisgarh, was visiting Uttar Pradesh, the very same day there were communal riots taking place in his own state. Should a Chief Minister not stay put in his own state and ensure that there is harmony and law and order is prevailing. But they are busy visiting Uttar Pradesh for petty politics, and people of the country are noticing that. And Uttar Pradesh citizenry will also give them a befitting reply in the forthcoming assembly elections. Thank you.
All right, because he seems to be taking all of the credit that Mr. Bhatia, saying that it is because of his wife, Priyanka Gandhi Vadra, of the Congress party, that the entire pressure has been built upon, because he also went on to mention where Priyanka Gandhi Vadra could actually be seen sweeping the guest house where she was detained for the time being. And he says that this is Swachh Bharat that actually the Prime Minister promotes.